Hi, in front of me is OUKITEL WP7 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. Firstly, open menu. Now click on calendar and tap on the month above. Select a date by clicking on the chosen one and tap at the bottom right corner on this plus icon. Select event. Over here you can add a title and customize your event however you want to. For example, you can add location, set up notifications, minutes, hours or weeks before. Click done. Choose starting hour, ending one, and many other things. When you're done, click on save at the top right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully added, but if you wish to delete it, you can click on it, tap on the three dots at the top right corner and select delete, then delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!